In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a used PC on eBay. To get started, open eBay and head to the search bar at the top of the page. In the search field, type used PC and run the search. This will bring up a list of available computers from different sellers. At this stage, you'll usually see a wide range of options, including different brands, conditions, prices, and hardware configurations. Take a moment to scan the results so you can get a general sense of what's available before choosing one. Next, select the product you want to look at more closely. When you open the listing, pay attention to the photos, the title, and the general description so you can confirm that it matches what you're looking for. Since this is a used PC, it's especially important to make sure the listing appears clear and complete. A good listing should help you understand exactly what kind of computer is being sold and what condition it's in. Once you're on the product page, the next step is to choose the configuration options. In this example, you'll select the operating system, the RAM, and the storage. These choices matter because they affect how the computer performs and what tasks it will handle comfortably. The operating system determines the software environment you'll be using. RAM affects multitasking and overall responsiveness, and storage determines how much space you'll have for files, apps, and documents. Before you continue, double check that the options you selected are the ones you actually want, because the exact configuration can change the value of the purchase. After selecting the OS, RAM, and storage, move on to the purchase step by clicking Buy It Now. This option is typically used when you're ready to purchase the item immediately at the listed price, instead of waiting through an auction. Before confirming anything on the checkout screen, it's always a good idea to review the item one more time, including the selected specifications, total price, and shipping details, just to avoid mistakes. And that's it. The overall process is simple. Search for a used PC, open the listing you want, choose the specifications that fit your needs, and then click Buy It Now to complete the purchase. If you follow each part carefully and review the listing details before paying, you'll make the process much smoother and help ensure you get the right computer for your needs.